We made it today to Ventura Harbor Village. The weather has cooperated and the rain had stopped. So we are here to actually go and visit, well, stay at Westlake Village at Hyatt. And then tomorrow we come back here to try and get some fresh seafood from the Ventura Saturday Fish Market. It's a beautiful day today, not too cold. The sun is out with a mild wind.